Hi folks, this is Mary with Guaranty RV. I'm here to show you unit T40859. This is a Jayco, it's a 2020, it's a 23 MRB. So as you see in the front here, you've got a great window and you have a huge awning that pretty much doubles your living space. So you can have easily a table and chairs outside, enjoying the outside with your outside kitchen that's in the back of the unit there. So you can cook outside, you're camping, you can enjoy your friends, you can enjoy music, you've got great outside speakers there. So then you've got a nice, really good solid step that goes up into the unit. You also have a power jack, which makes, hooking up and getting to your spot a lot easier. And then as we go inside the unit, you've got a good floor plan here. It's really open. You've got lots of space in here. This kitchen is very spaced very well across from the booth here, this couch sitting area. So then this couch will turn into a bed, or you can put the table in there and it's an option. You can have it open or you just lounge, sit back. You've got kind of like a place where you can lay down there and watch TV. And then you've got a Murphy bed in the back there. So when you don't want a lot of seating area, you can easily sit, 6 people in here. Just visiting, and you can turn it into a Murphy bed when it's time to go to bed. So it's very versatile that way. You've got a great entertainment center with a fireplace, keep you nice and cozy. I like that option. And then the kitchen, of course, everyone knows when you're camping, smells and sounds are the two things that stay in our memory. And when you're going to cook great food when you're camping, it's going to encourage great sounds of laughter. So I just really enjoy the fact that families camping together would really like this unit. I think it's going to be great for some special family. It easily would sleep 4 people, but very easily could, just have an adult, couple sleeping in this unit. All the things that you need for the refrigerator, the stovetop and everything. And then when you move into the bathroom, this is a really nice bathroom. It's a corner bathroom. The shower on the side there has doors, so you feel enclosed there. You're not going to spray water everywhere. And then you can't see in the picture here, but above the toilet to the left, there is a lot of shelving. So you can put a lot of storage right around there. So lighter cabinets in this bathroom, keep it really light. There is a skylight also to brighten it up. And then when you look into the master, you do have a curtain that's going to go across to give you a little bit of privacy, and then you've got lights on the sides, a really good window to look out at your view. So I like that feature. I think this is going to be a great unit for some wonderful family to enjoy it. It's got great decals on the outside. Again, my name is Mary. My number is 406-850-4590, and I would love to help you. If you have any questions, please give me a call. Thanks.